So who is here on Dominique Escobar? Court is calling 2025 CR 003-779 State versus Dominique Celine Escobar. Can I have parties announced for the record? State.
Galloway for state.
Defense.
Valentina Kogur on behalf of Ms. Escobar.
And are you Ms. Escobar?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you review the state? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're charged by indictment with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow that agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow that agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses? This is their copy.
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe she is.
Ms. Escobar, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is asking that your punishment be assessed at 106 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's an $800 fine. Did you understand and take in consideration County Court Cause number 732-950 in 2025 CR 003-757? Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense is at the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State is at the plea.
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counselor, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No conflict.
State any evidence.
It oversees one in the attachments.
No objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any weapons the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments. The court will review the same. After reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We would ask the court to follow the plea bargain.
All right. The court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 106 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's an $800 fine, time and money to run concurrent. Take in consideration County Court Cause number 732-950, 2025 CR 003-757. There should be no contact with Thomas Rojas Navarro III and no contact with Circle K. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 4.
You're gonna have to change your life. If you're not gonna change your life, you need to write a letter to your children, have it given to them when they're 18, apologize for your actions or lack of supervision in their life, and go on your way. Because children learn from their parents, and you're not being a good example, you understand? And if you are trying to truly be clean and sober, if you can't find a place that will help you when you're released from the Bexar County Jail, come back here. I will pick up the phone. I will call someone that will help you get into a program so that you can maintain your sobriety. Otherwise, only two things going to end up happening to you. One, you're going to end up in and out of the Bexar County Jail, in and out of prison. You're going to look up, your children are going to be grown. Or the second option is somebody's going to be identifying your body in some field, on some sidewalk, or somewhere else. And if there's nobody who ever comes down and identify your body, they're going to bury you without a headstone. You understand? So this is a chance for you to change your life. And just as a side note, don't get in any relationships with any guys or anybody until you work on you and fix you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Welcome.